I believe that by connecting with the rose, it's actually possible for us to reconnect to the ancient, Indigenous, earth-based roots of our own ancestry. It's also possible for us to obviously deepen our connection with the earth itself and to maybe see the earth even more deeply as our mother. Often when we do that work, we not only receive guidance and wisdom from our own ancestors, but also we can begin to feel held by them too, whether or not we actually know who they were. Working with the rose, in my experience, she gives us the medicine and the messages and the gifts and the lessons that we most need.